In the last video I showed you how to draw a Daphnia or water flea, and continuing the pond life theme, today I'm going to show you how to draw a newt. But let's not talk about it, let's do it. Now you are going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Start up here and make a kind of an oval. Don't press the pencil too hard because you're going to find it difficult to erase later. And then round about there we'll do a little curve, and then we'll come down and then we'll come up. In fact, let's put another oval around about like that. So this will then follow, it's going to come down and follow and then along there, so that we get a kind of a sausage shape at the end. You're going to want your eye to be about there, arm, and then the back leg about there. So let's start around about here and then just do that little curve and then a little bump for the eye on the other side. That's all you're going to see is a bump. And that's going to curve down into the neck and up into the body and then over to the tail like that. And this will come down a little bit sort of pointy like that. And then this is going to come and sweep around forwards like that. They have very rubbery kind of arms and legs. And here, do a kind of an oval for the eye, and then another one resting on the bottom like that. Put a little circle in there and shade that in like that. So then here we need to have fingers. So on the front there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. They're very kind of pointy fingers. And then we'll bring the tummy coming down like that, abdomen. It's probably more scientific. And we'll just curve that up around like that. And then the back legs, they're just really, really rubbery. And that's going to sort of come around there. And it has, this one has 5. So there's like a thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And you can make these a little bit rough, those lines as well if you want. And then this is going to come down into a kind of a point there. Now we're going to see another arm coming around there, and they're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll see another one here, that's the thumb, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. We want this kind of line that kind of follows very close along the top. And what we can do is just to kind of put these little spots and wiggles just for a kind of a line that is going down the body. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. If you press too hard, you might find that difficult. Get it right next time. Now, you can do another little series of sort of spots, a little line sort of coming down, sort of getting closer, and then just slowly fading away. And I think it might be quite good to add a little bit of sort of texture kind of shading. So this is just like, really they're dots just all along the edge there, and maybe some in there, and some little dots there, and maybe some just in there. And you can maybe put some kind of watery lines as it's swimming through the water like that. And I think we can put some on the other side going all the way up there as well. And maybe, I think if we just do that all the way along the bottom, and those can just fade out, it'll just give a bit of sort of 3D to the whole thing. You can colour it in that sort of ochre greeny browny kind of colour, and the tummy will be much paler. Tomorrow I will show you how to draw a dragonfly, so click that button down there and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. I keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 pond dipping, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.